Hello, myself Dr. M.K. Gopru, Department Mathematics, Government College Ajmer. And today we discuss about subgroups, its basic properties, its relations. Today we are going to discuss cosets. What is the cosets? Say G is a group and H is a subgroup of it. Means H possesses the identity element, other elements A, B, C, etc. These are all elements of G also. So we can define coset into which one AH, PH. A might be here, anywhere. Is an arbitrary belonging to Z. A and HA. We define two types of cosets. Means A is an element of G. And H is a subgroup. We operate this H with the elements of H and we get, if we operate it on left side, then we got this set H left coset. So element of this are of type AH such that H belongs to H for all A belongs to G. Means A is an element. Related to this, we have a combination of elements in such a way that EA, BA, CA, etc. All these type of elements are in this set. So this is known as left coset. And similarly, HA such that H belongs to H for all G, A belongs to G. This is known as right coset. So we can define two types of cosets for an element related to an element, left coset and right coset. They may be equal, they may not be. Let us study two basic examples. Z plus is a group. Z plus is a group, and let us define a subgroup 3Z plus. For the induced operation, this is your H and this is your G. So the elements of Z plus are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. And operation is additive operation. And the elements of H are 3Z plus R minus 6 minus 3 0 3 6 etc. And so earlier we studied about this H is a subgroup. H is a subgroup, we know it. Now try to derive the cosets related to this subgroup. So let us take element 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 is belonging to Z, also in G. So 0 is here. 1 1 is here but not belongs to this, so I can write 1 here. 2 is here, does not belongs to this, so I can write 2 here. 3 belongs to this, 4 here, and so on. Similarly, minus 1 belongs to Z but does not belong to this one, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 belongs to this, so minus 3, and so on. Try to derive left or right coset, whatever it may be. For simplicity, let us derive the right coset H8. So its element are H A such that H belongs to H, and this was for the when operation of the group was of multiplication. If the operation of this group is additive operation, binary operation is addition. Therefore, for here we derive H plus 0. 0 is there. H plus 0. What is this? H plus A. H plus A means this plus 0. So the elements of this are H plus A are minus 6, minus 3, minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 3, 6, etc. These are the element of H plus. And obviously we can say this is nothing but H. Now H plus 1 plus 1 means minus 6 plus 1 minus 5, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, minus 0 and plus 1 1, 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 1 7, etc. This is your H plus 1. This is not equal to, this is not it. This is not equal to H. Again, H plus 2. H plus 2 means minus 6 plus 2, minus 4, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, and 6 plus 2, 8, and so on. And again, H plus 3, H plus 3, minus 6 plus 3 means minus 3, minus 3 plus 3, 0, and 0 plus 3, 3, 6, as these are the elements. So we see that this is again H plus 1 or is H. So it repeats. H plus 4 will be equal to H plus 4. This will be equal to H plus 4. 6 plus 4 minus 2, minus 3 plus 4, 1, etc. So H plus 4 and so on. Again H minus 1, H minus 1, what it will be? Minus 6, H minus 1. Minus 1 is a member of G. All these are member of G row, is a member of H, is a member of G also, and 1, 2, minus 1, etc. All the members of G. So H minus 1 is equal to minus 1 means minus 7, minus 4, minus 1, and 2, 5, etc. This is nothing but equal to this one, H plus 2. and so on. H minus 2, what is H minus 2? This is your H minus 2, minus 6 minus 2, minus 8, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 3 minus 2, 1, 6 minus 2, 4, and so on. This is what? H plus 1 is nothing but H minus 2. So it is H plus 1. So we find all these different cosets related to this set H, related to this subgroup H. Here we try to notice something, that first, number of element in H and H plus 0, H plus 1, H plus 2 are same. Number of elements in H and its cosets. Its cosets are equal. So, if H possesses 3 elements, coset must possess 3 elements. If H possesses infinite element, we will prove this result also with another example, finite set. I will prove it second. We see that this coset and this coset, no element is common in these 3 elements. In fact, we found that these are these 3 different cosets related to H. All other are nothing but out of these 3. So 3 different cosets. So 3 different cosets, and we can see here that no element is common. No element is common. Why? Again try to see if we unite them, means if you found union of H plus 0, union of H plus 1, union of H plus 2, means all different cosets, union of all possible different cosets of this subgroup related to set G, group G, is nothing but equal to G. Is nothing but means union of H, H plus 1, H plus 2, and H plus 1, H plus 2. All 3 are different. H plus 1, H plus 2, and H plus 3 is nothing but H. Again, H plus 1. It's H. Is H. Is H plus 2 and H plus 1. So, union of all possible different right coset is again equal to group itself. So, we predict 3 or 4 result, number of elements, and one more thing, 4. Obviously, we can notice one thing, that if the element belongs to the subgroup H and related to this element, if we derive the cosets, either it may be right or left, coset will always be equal to H itself. So let us see this. This is nothing but H. H plus 3 belongs to this H. So H plus 3 is nothing but H. And H minus 3. Similarly, if we found h minus 3, it will be h again. It will be h again. Why this is? If the element belongs to element related to h, then coset related to these elements is always be equal to h itself. Means we can see these four results from this example, and we will prove it again with another example of finite group and its finite subgroup. So we derive these results with the help of an infinite group and its subgroup. We can say number of elements in H and its cosets are always equal. Number of elements in is common. No element is common in different cosets. In different cosets. In different coset with respect to H. All possible, we can see all possible cosets related to H, either they are exactly equal. H plus 0 is nothing but H. H plus 0 is equal to H plus 3. Either they are identical, every element is common to them, or no element is common to them. So no element is common in different cosets with respect to H. And again, we can find this result, that the union of all different cosets related to the subgroup H is nothing but group itself. And the element related to H, then coset related to these elements is always equal to the H itself. It means if the element is in H, then coset related to these elements will again be equal to H only. So let us derive another result with the help of another example, finite Z8 say, and additive mod 8. Operation is mod 8. And subgroup, this is your group having element Z8 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the elements, and plus 8. Now let us take H. H is a subgroup having 0 and 4 element, only 2 elements. Means 0 is here, 4 is here. This is the subgroup. This is a subgroup of this one. So let us try to derive coset related to H. First, 0, 0 with H will give H plus mod 8, 0. Means 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 4, 4. H plus 1, this is equal to 1 and 5. H plus 2 is equal to 2, 6, H plus 8, 3 is equal to 3, 7, H plus 8, 4 is equal to 4, and 4 plus 4, 8. So under mod 8 is 0. H plus 8, 5 is equal to 5, 5, and 5, 4, 9, 1. H plus 8, 6 is equal to 6 and 2. H plus 8, 7 is equal to 7 and 3. So we notice here that this is nothing but this one, this is nothing but this one, this is again the same. So number of cosets are 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number of cosets are 4 different cosets we got from this subgroup. Now try to identify or try to verify these results that number of elements in H and its cosets are equal. H possesses 2 elements and its coset, every coset possesses 2 elements only. So this is verified. Number of elements in H and its cosets are equal. Number of elements in common is common in different cosets with respect to H. No element. We can see these are 4 different cosets. Any element is common to these 4? No. They are different only. Every element is different one. So this is correct. Now union of all these 4 cosets will give us the group itself, elements of the group itself. So union of all cosets, or left or right, whatever it may be. I am just deriving the right cosets. You may derive left coset as well. So union of all right coset is equal to Z elements related to H and then its coset. Now we can see this. This is the element of H, and coset related to this one is nothing but H itself. Coset related to 4 is again equal to H. Means any element lies in H, lies in subgroup, then coset of this coset related to its element is again H itself, and all other are different. So all these 4 properties verified can be verified from this example also. This is example for finite group, and previous example was for infinite group. Next time we will prove these results mathematically also. Thank you to everyone.